Riley here from the Chicago Council on Science and Technology. Recently, we went to Delnor Hospital to see drone delivery in action. We met with folks from Valkyrie, a company that's creating last-mile drone systems. Basically, they're using drones to get us the stuff we need. Everything from food to medical supplies, from point A to point B, quickly and safely. We met and talked with folks from Valkyrie all about the future of drone delivery and got to see their drones in action as part of their pilot program with Northwestern Medicine. Roll the footage.
The future of drone delivery is very exciting for me because it is going to change our lives in ways that I don't think most people really understand yet. Being able to have things on demand within 5 minutes when you need it at a very convenient price is going to change a lot of people's lives. Valkyrie builds fully automated point-to-point delivery systems. We found that that is one of the most effective and efficient ways to optimize last-mile logistics. Adding in these purpose-built systems for medical, for food delivery, for different use cases, we found that it exponentially changes the cost curve for that use case.
At Northwestern Medicine, we have been part of the pilot program for the past 4 months with a 100% success rate. We are currently integrated at the cancer lab and the main lab. We have a drone delivery station that provides on-demand delivery for medical supplies and blood samples. The goal of our pilot program was to determine the feasibility of the integration of drones taking over courier times. And now we are determining feasibility of other routes to integrate.
This drone is going to be, it's a lot bigger. It's a lot bigger, it's a lot more capable. It's able to carry, I believe, about 20 pounds right now, which is unheard of, by the way. Many other companies are only able to carry up to about 5 pounds. Our drone is fully carbon fiber and it's able to pick up a lot more weight than most other drones.
So this is our drone box for medical deliveries. It's a wipeable surface and can also maintain temperature, whether it be cold or room temperature. So after each request and we do a flight, or while we're doing a flight, we log it in an Excel spreadsheet and we share that with NM so they can track data points, how long it takes us from the notification to retrieving the package, and then also how long does it take that next lab to notify them that they've received it. So during this process, he will go to this intersection and ensure no cars are passing by, no people are walking underneath it, and if he needs to, he can take over the drone. It's pre-planned, and then he's there with the controller to step in if he needs to.
We have a vision of seeing these things flying everywhere, being a part of our everyday life, and it's what we want to implement, it's what we want to make happen, and that's what we're trying to do.
With anything along the lines of innovation, people have a certain level of uncomfortability with, it's like with the unknown, right? So as people see drones flying downtown or more and more, see how safe it actually is, I feel like we're not going to give as much pushback from this new technology. So
Prior to this, a patient would come in and with immunotherapy particularly, they'd have to give blood and it goes to the lab and gets tested to figure out what their count is and they get the levels, and then the immunotherapy is tailored based on what they are at that moment, right? And so if it takes 3 hours before the next courier shows up to take it over there, even though it's just right there, that patient is waiting. And if you have, a disease like that, that is precious time. You don't want to be sitting in a waiting room, right? And so if we can cut that down to where now they're coming in for treatments and it's a quicker turnaround, they get more time back, that's really what we're hoping for.
Thanks for watching. This video was funded by the Advancing Smart Logistics NSF Engine, which is led by Governor State University and the Illinois Innovation Network. Make sure to like and subscribe to show us your support and so that you'll know when the next video comes out.